Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Lounge channel, and in this quick tip I will show you a confusing behavior that new users of FreeCAD BIM Workbench might encounter when using the door and the window tool. The important thing to know is that these commands are very similar, but they have just the default saved settings. So in default FreeCAD, if I fire up the door tool, here you have got settings and you can set up your door. And if I place the door, I have my door here. And also if I fire up the window tool, and I will set the cell height to, let's say, 900 and place the window here. You can see the window is here. If I fire up the window tool again, you can see that the last used settings are saved and used again. And I can change this one to open to two-pane window, and you can see that a different type of window is inserted. The confusion that might happen is if I start the window tool, and here I've got my presets, and I click this drop down, and I can choose, you can see the door and also the window presets. So these are the same presets for window and door tool. So if I select simple door, and I would change the height to 2000 and also the sail height to 0. And if I would place this window, you can see if I select it, it's described as a door, but it's basically a door that was created using the window tool. And now if I fire up the window tool again, this is the confusing part, you can see that it looks like as if I'm using the door tool. But this is because this setup is saved from the last one. So don't be confused by this. If I now want to place a window, I will just select the open two-pane window, set the cell height to 900 and height back to something that I would use on a window. And if I click here and place the window, you can see that the window is placed here. Now the same thing can happen with the door tool. So if I fire up the door tool now, and instead of simple door, I choose the sash two-pane window, and I would, let's say, place it like this. So now the window was placed, and now if I fire up the door tool, you can see that the window preset is there by default, but I can easily change it to using the standard or glass door in this case. So note that the door tool and the window tool are basically just one tool, but with the default set of presets that are saved, but they can be basically used one instead of another. And this is as of FreeCAD 1.1. In later versions of FreeCAD, this might change. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.